I'm in my car right now. I'm heading to the store because we have a severe winter storm that's going to hit us.
It is a very dangerous night.
I need to get some stuff from the store to make sure we survive this. It's going to be a bad storm, up to 70-mile-an-hour winds, power outages, 15 inches of snow in our area overnight. So I'm going to the store to make sure we get the essentials, and I will show you what those essentials are. This could be crazy. Maybe that's a little over dramatic. But anyways, Dawn sent me a list. I don't necessarily think milk, eggs, bread, those type of things are essentials. I'll show you the stuff that I think are essentials. So Dawn gave me a list with all the essentials according to her. And on that list was banana, bread, eggs, milk, ice, egg noodles, water bottles, lunch meat, avocado, toilet paper, and bagels and waffles. But I just don't think those are the essentials, you know? Number one, Dr. Pepper. Where the heck are the egg noodles? Number two essential is cookies. The choices. Make sure you get your cookies for the storm.
Okay.
I'm at a crossroads in my life right now. I am not sure what to do. So, poll question, cookies or Debbie snacks? I don't know. I'm stuck right now, guys. I don't know what to do. Both? Dawn will yell at me for that one. Where the heck are the egg noodles? Guys, this would be overkill. I found the egg noodles. It was the same aisle as the cookies. Boom. Next essential, cereal. And can you believe this? Frosted Flakes and Lucky Charms. What a world we live in. So with the big storm coming, I went and got the essentials that Dawn said she needed, and I added a couple essentials of my own because I just think her list was a little bit whack, and my essentials are way better for a storm like this if you get stuck inside. But I did decide on these over the cookies. So Nutty Buddies, can't go wrong. That's pretty delicious. So I needed to come and get gas because, tip for you guys, if there is a winter snowstorm or the weather's cold, temperature is really cold, you should keep your gas tank above half. That's what my dad told me, so I'm just gonna go with it. So when I was over at Wegmans, I got in the car and I haven't seen any snow yet. But then all of a sudden the wind picked up like crazy and it started to like crash snow at me. Crash snow? What does that mean? Why didn't I just go $5 more? I would have filled it up. The wind would pick up and the snow, you could see the snow start to come. It was kind of weird. I thought for a second that that might be the end for me. Kind of like Pa Ingalls when he was in the snowstorm and had to go out to the barn and couldn't find his way back because it was snowing so hard. My mom used to make me watch Little House on the Prairie all the time. Comment if that really happened. I'm not sure. Okay, so real question now. How do you guys eat your Nutty Buddies? Or Nutty Bars, whatever you call them. Do you go layer by layer? Do you just eat the whole thing at once? Do you break it in half? Comment on some of the ways that you eat your Nutty Buddies bars. Nutty Buddy. But it's plural because you get more than one Nutty Buddy. I'm looking at the package to see if I'm saying it right, and it just says Nutty Buddy. But you get more than one, so it's Nutty Buddies. So comment, let us know what you do with your Nutty Buddies. Okay, so it's 12:30 in the morning, and I looked outside and it is snowing and blowing so hard. So I thought I'd come out here. I don't know why I decided to come out here in t-shirt and shorts. That was stupid of me. But yeah, I don't think you can really see because it's dark out, and there's not any really outside lights except this one above me. But yeah, it's getting pretty yucky out here. It's now Friday morning, and we got a lot of snow. That was a lot of snow overnight, but I gotta shovel this driveway. We don't have a snowblower, and this is really thick, heavy snow, and it's gonna be a pain to shovel. So I better get at it. The snow is really, really heavy. I'm already really tired. No wonder they call it heart attack snow. Alright. A snowplow, about to push another snowplow to get out of the snow. Whoa. Alright guys, I just finished shoveling half the driveway all the way down. That was exhausting.
No, Luke, do not throw the blocks, but no, Luke.
Essential. By the way, this stuff here, it's amazing. Amazing. Thank you, General Mills, for deciding to put Lucky Charms and Frosted Flakes together in one combo box, because it was awesome. Love it. That's all I got.